Welcome everyone. Today I am speak importance of consistency. If we want to do any work, consistency in that work is very important. Our life becomes very beautiful because of this. We can truly enjoy life. Consistency makes the impossible to possible. We can fulfill our dreams by being consistent in our work. We can do a lot with consistency. We get benefits that we cannot even imagine. We cannot underestimate consistency because it is the foundation of our progress. People have made a lot of progress by being consistent in their work, and we too should take advantages of it to fulfill our dreams. The result of consistency is not visible in a single day. It takes a little time, then we see the results. Consistency is the medicine for success, and its result never go to waste. Thanks for watching this video.